Hello guys, good morning. Ito pala yung laruan na bibigyan natin sa dalawang bata. This color, blue, green, and blue. Ayan. Ibibigay natin to mga guy. So, exciting ako kung paano yung magiging reaction nila. Instead na dinosaur, ito yung magiging coin nila. Let's see. So, I'm waiting because my nephew called them to receive the toy car. Because they're always asking for a toy to Angel, to Rene, and to me. So, because they have their birthday, so both of them already finished their birthday earlier. So, this is going to be my gift for each of them. Pero tanggalan natin ng pala. Tanggalan natin ng price. Kasi nakakahiya naman sa magulang. Yung price natin. May price pa siya. Wala na siyang tag price. Kasi pag nagbigay kasi hindi talaga dapat. You don't need to let know the person. If you give something, not necessary to know, to let them know. Something na siya guys. Yung magiging pa nila. Tsaka ito, meron na siyang, there is already a remote. Hindi magalaw na siya guys. Yan. Na-test na to sa store. So, i-test natin dito. I-test natin siya dito. Kung gumagana ba siya. Kita niyo. Yun siya guys. Ang galing.
Wow.
Diretso natin. Yeah. So, gumagana siya guys. Ito yung ating toy na ibibigay. This is gonna be the toys we give to two children. Inside the day. Okay. So guys, ito naman iti-test natin. I have to open this one. See if this works as well. Kasi this has been tested already from the supermarket where we bought it. Iti-test ko siya kung ano naman happen. Pero there's already ano guys, ang cute din siya. Test natin dito. So you guys, you see, we already finished testing this one. Yan yung ating toy. Hi! Who's that? Who wants this? What's your color? Is this whose color like this one? Hi!
I want this color.
You want this? And this yours? Wow! That already have battery on it. Be careful. There's the remote. You play. Welcome. You bring your box to home. So if you don't play it, you have to put it back. Okay?
Which one should be?
This is your box. Oh, you try yours. There's a battery. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay. You play yours here first. Dali. Let me see. Let them see you play. You have... Oh, my God. What is that? You know how to... Yay! So, are you happy? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. And say bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You say please like. Please like and share. Can you say please? Hey, Unyong. Can you say like and share, please?
Like and share, please.
Ikaw, Uno.
Like and share, please.
Thumbs up, guys. Say. Okay, you bring your box, Uno. Unyong. Your box. You don't want this? You don't need this one? That's it only?